an Anthropic engineer reportedly used Claude AI, and he managed to turn just $200 into $14,000 trading on Polymarket. So it's not some meme coin gambling, it's not some random bet, not revenge trading at 3 a.m. The AI simply follows smart money better than humans can. So what just actually happened is this engineer built a trading board using Claude, and this trading board, its job is really simple. Is to scan Polymarket just to find the very profitable traders, find the patterns, what is the winning secret, and copy the smartest wallets. That's basically it. But the scale is wild. The board reportedly analyzed 86 million trades across more than 14,000 wallets in just minutes. Of course, no human can do that. Now, there is some hard rule the board had to follow. For example, the board had to copy only high conviction moves and exit before sentiment changes. That's the strategy. And surprisingly, the board only makes around just 10 trades a day. That's it. Not like hyperactive, not constant trading, just selective execution. Because AI, why it could possibly had an edge here. So here's the video of how the portfolio grew from just like $200 to 5 figures. Why AI could potentially has an edge is because AI doesn't has any emotion. So there's no fear, no greed, no FOMO, no revenge trading, literally just data and pattern recognition. It looks at probability and execution. That's it. And that's where the machine would shine.